Graphic Tracer is a powerful production tool developed specifically for cleaning up bad quality artwork and converting bitmap images into production-ready, resizable vector art while saving you work, time, and money. Consider for a moment, tools are developed to make life easier, to reduce time and work. As technology advances, power tools are developed, which increase productivity and improve quality. Often, there are many tools that can do the same job. For example, imagine if you had to cut down a large tree. You could use a hatchet, an axe, or a saw. Or you could go for the power tool, the chainsaw. Obviously, the chainsaw is considerably faster and much less work than the hatchet. In the same way, when it comes to converting bitmap images into vectors and cleaning other poor quality graphics, there are many tools available. But Graphic Tracer is a full-featured power tool for preparing your graphics for production and giving you a better product in less time and with less work. Two of the exceptional features found in Graphic Tracer are Advanced Sense Edge Auto Tracing and Fontai. A good quality auto trace is the key to quickly producing professional graphics. Graphic Tracer's Advanced Sense Edge Auto Tracing creates great-looking vector graphics, even from poor bitmap images such as web graphics, photos, and scanned logos. Get good-looking and easy-to-edit graphics with lines, curves, and arcs, and corners in all the right places. In addition, Graphic Tracer gives you greater control over the bitmap to vector conversion process than other programs. Fontai is an incredible tool which allows you to quickly identify and even replace the typeface used in almost any graphic. Imagine, even if the text is on a curve or aligned to a path, angled, vertical, or free, script, or a connected font, Fontai has the ability to identify a growing number of typefaces, even if they have been stretched or compressed. At this time, you can search a growing database of more than 100,000 identifiable fonts in typeface collections from a variety of different sources. Links are provided where over 20,000 of these fonts can be downloaded for free. In addition, you can make a searchable Fontai database from your own typeface collections or installed fonts. Amazingly, Fontai doesn't just identify the typeface, it can even replace it right back into your graphic perfectly sized and positioned. However, the replacement feature is only possible using fonts that you own, but the good news is you do not have to have that font installed or on your hard drive. Imagine the hassle that Fontai alone can save you. Other notable easy-to-use features in Graphic Tracer that help to save time and work include a variety of bitmap editing tools, which allow you to resize and make modifications to your image before vectorizing it. The option to view the original image in the background makes editing easier. A set of intelligent replace shape tools allow one-click conversion into a perfect circle, ellipse, square, or triangle. If you have multiples of an object in your image, selected shapes can be transferred to other objects with the Convert Shape to an Object tool, while keeping the needed size, orientation, and color. Mirror symmetrical tools allow you to clean up part of an object and finish it with one click using one of these amazing tools. Replace Contours allows you to automatically recalculate and replace the contour effect around an object or words, giving you a perfect contour without the need for any additional editing. Drawing tools include circle, ellipse, square, rectangle, and a pen tool. While finished graphics can be easily exported for use in most graphic programs, our ClickLink feature automatically exports your graphics directly into CorelDRAW or Illustrator.